Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're going to bridge the gap between that beautiful, aesthetic dream of a kitchen makeover and the, well, gritty financial reality. We all love scrolling through those stunning before and after photos, but right now, we are getting into the numbers, the messy logistics, and those hidden traps that catch so many homeowners completely off guard. You know, we all start out with this Pinterest perfect vision, right? You want the gleaming countertops, the super smart appliances, perfect lighting, the whole shebang. But what happens when the dust actually settles? Because let me tell you, that true price tag you see on a shiny cabinet display is rarely, and I mean rarely, the final number on your invoice.
And this quote from the design build firm 𝐸𝐸 hits the nail on the head. One minute you're excitedly planning your first big dinner party, and the next you're staring at an unexpectedly massive bill. It's that exact terrifying moment when excitement just turns into pure panic. It's a ridiculously common experience, but hey, it doesn't have to be yours.
To put this into perspective, CIBC data highlighted by 𝐸𝐸 shows that up to 39% of Canadian home renovations blow right past their budgets. I mean, think about that for a second. Nearly 4 out of 10 people end up paying significantly more than they ever planned. And it's usually not because they suddenly decided to buy a fancy fridge. No, it's because of things they literally never saw coming. So let's get into part 1, the dream kitchen illusion. We're starting with the fun stuff, that surface-level beauty that draws us in and makes us think picking materials is the hardest part. When you're looking at a supplier like AmpQuartz over in Malaysia, the sheer variety is just intoxicating. You've got high-end quartz like silestone, ultra-durable sintered stones like Dekton, classic marble, granite, and even innovative materials like Compact Plus. You budget for the stone, you absolutely fall in love with the look, and you think, okay, the hard part's over. Then you move on to the cabinetry. You start picturing these incredibly sleek, moisture-resistant aluminum or solid plywood setups. AmpQuartz has these gorgeous lines like their Anglo-Lux series, featuring ultra-matte finishes and anti-fingerprint technology that just perfectly matches a modern lifestyle. They look incredible, they function beautifully, and you happily toss a huge chunk of your budget right there. But here comes the record scratch. You gladly budget for all those shiny, visible things. But what actually drains your bank account are the terrifying, invisible realities lurking right behind your drywall. We're talking hidden mold, complete electrical rewiring, and those absolutely mandatory municipality permits. Which brings us to part 2, structural and system surprises. Let's move below the surface and look at how the literal bones of your house can actively plot against your wallet. My kitchen specialist over in the UK has a really great breakdown of the domino effect your design choices can trigger. Say you just want to move your sink 2 inches. Well, that might mean upgrading outdated pipework. Or maybe you decide you really want that open-plan diner look. That means taking out internal walls, which probably means paying for a structural engineer and a steel beam. Even moving a single electrical socket could force you to upgrade your entire fuse board just to meet modern codes. And honestly, if you start demolition and uncover mold, termites, or faulty wiring, you are in for a serious shock. Fairstone data cited by 𝐸𝐸 notes that structural repairs can hit you with a bill ranging from $5,500 to $50,000. Yeah, you heard that right. That is a budget-destroying number for repairs you won't even see once the walls are patched back up. And hey, even if your walls are absolutely perfect, material costs themselves are incredibly volatile. Just look at this number. Remember when lumber prices spiked by a massive 209% in a single year, around 2021? 𝐸𝐸 points this out as a stark reminder that your renovation is totally at the mercy of global supply chains. If your project gets delayed, the price of raw materials could skyrocket while you're just sitting there waiting. Okay, moving to part 3, the sneaky finishing fees. Because beyond the walls, there's a whole other category of logistical nightmares that sneak in right at the end. When we break down the logistics, things like laying beautiful herringbone luxury vinyl flooring require some serious subfloor prep that'll rapidly inflate your costs. Or think about this. If you need a skip bin parked on a public road, you have to pay for a permit. Even tweaking your design late in the game or bringing in a specialist to properly integrate a smart appliance carries extra admin and labor fees that really add up. It's a funny but painful truth. Those old cabinets do not just magically vanish into thin air. You're paying for the labor to tear them out, the transport to the dump, and the disposal fees. Plus, discovering hazardous materials like old asbestos ceiling tiles during demolition, that is a surprise literally no one wants to pay a specialist team to safely remove. All right, part 4, bulletproofing your renovation budget. I promise I don't want to just leave you terrified to ever touch your house, so let's get into the strategic playbook for surviving this process intact. By pulling together advice from both Kenora and my kitchen specialist, we've got a solid 4-step survival guide. First, demand a strictly itemized budget, right down to the nails. Second, set aside a 10 to 20% contingency fund specifically for those unexpected surprises we just talked about. Third, compare transparent quotes. Don't just jump at the cheapest one if it's missing details. And finally, bake delays right into your timeline so you aren't forced into rushed, expensive decisions later. Now, Kenora heavily champions this specific approach, the fixed cost model. Basically, this shifts the risk away from you. By doing thorough inspections up front and locking in prices, it gives you the absolute peace of mind that your $15,000 budget won't suddenly balloon to $20,000 because of market volatility or just poor planning. Ultimately, your very best defense is asking your retailer the hard questions up front, way before manufacturing even starts. Just ask them directly. Hey, is skip hire and waste removal included? Who's actually installing this integrated smart fridge? Am I going to get hit with storage fees if my flooring isn't ready? Getting those answers clearly in writing is how you protect yourself. So, armed with this knowledge of what really lies beneath the surface, the outcome of your next major home project is entirely in your hands. You know now to look past those shiny countertops and budget for the bones of the house. As you start saving all those beautiful inspiration photos, ask yourself this: are you genuinely planning for reality or just the aesthetic?